Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a new kind of AI that doesn't just answer questions, it acts like a research scientist. It's called SR Scientist, and its purpose is to discover the hidden mathematical equations that describe physical phenomena just by looking at data. For centuries, discovering these equations was the work of human genius, involving observation, hypothesizing, and rigorous testing. While AI has been used to help, models were often confined to being passive tools in a human design process. SR Scientist changes this by becoming an autonomous agent that drives the entire discovery lifecycle. This diagram illustrates its core process, a continuous loop of exploration and optimization. The AI starts by exploring the raw data, trying to find initial patterns or correlations. Then, it makes an educated guess, proposing a mathematical equation that it thinks might explain the data. Using a built-in code interpreter, it implements this equation and submits it for evaluation. It gets immediate feedback on its performance, like a score that tells it how accurate its guess was. Here's where the agentic behavior really shines. Based on that feedback, it reasons about what went wrong and refines its hypothesis, creating a new and hopefully better equation. To overcome memory limitations, the system uses an experience buffer, which is like a notebook for the AI to remember its most successful equations so far. This cycle of proposing, testing, and refining can continue for dozens of steps, allowing for deep, long-horizon problem-solving. So, how well does it actually work? The researchers tested SR Scientist against a wide range of other methods, from traditional algorithms to other AI-based systems. As you can see in this table, across 4 different scientific disciplines, SR Scientist significantly outperformed the baseline methods by a large margin. This isn't just about getting a slightly smaller error, it's about finding the correct underlying structure of the equation. Here, for a complex physics problem, you can see the ground truth equation, and right below it, the nearly identical result that SR Scientist discovered. In contrast, the equations found by other methods were often more complex or less accurate. Furthermore, the system is impressively robust. Even when the researchers intentionally added random noise to the data to make the task harder, SR Scientist consistently performed better than the others. The framework also includes a method for training the AI with reinforcement learning, allowing it to get even better at discovery through practice. Let's quickly recap the important points. The SR Scientist framework empowers an AI to act as an autonomous scientist, using tools to analyze data, form hypotheses, test them, and learn from the results over time. This agentic approach proved to be far more accurate and robust than existing methods. So, what does this mean for the future of science? Imagine AI agents like this working as tireless research assistants for human scientists, helping to uncover new laws of physics, discover novel materials, or find new relationships in biology. It could massively accelerate the pace of scientific discovery by finding crucial patterns in data too vast and complex for us to analyze alone. Thank you for watching Summarize Science.